Well, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Sean Everson. A lot to talk about as we head into the weekend, dealing with a couple rounds of winter weather. Tonight, some drizzle, freezing drizzle, maybe a little bit of snow mixed in, but then Saturday, afternoon and evening, blizzard conditions expected. You can see that blizzard warning that will go into effect at noon Saturday and go until 3 a.m. Sunday. Includes the Omaha Metro, Lincoln, most of eastern Nebraska, and southwest Iowa. So that's what we have to deal with as we go through Saturday. Still tonight and into Saturday morning, we are under a winter weather advisory, as we'll see periods of drizzle, freezing drizzle, especially along and north of I-80 as we head through tonight. So icing potential, could get a light glaze of ice up to 1/10 of an inch here in the Omaha Metro later tonight and into Saturday morning. Right now, we're dry in the Metro. This is Super Doppler 7 radar showing snow up towards Norfolk, spots farther north and back down to the south and west, though still some dry air at the surface, preventing most of this from reaching the ground, but could see a little bit of flurry activity, maybe some brief light snow. Northwest of the Omaha Metro here late this afternoon. Visibility looking good for most spots. You see it's slightly reduced there in Norfolk, so again, maybe seeing a few flurries out there. This is a look in Papillion from Cobalt Credit Union. Traffic flowing along just fine here. Friday afternoon. Now this is important. Right now we're right at that freezing mark, 32 degrees. We'll see temperatures hover around that freezing mark as we continue into the evening and overnight hours. So a degree or two difference could mean the difference between seeing wet roads later tonight or icy roads later tonight. So expect impacts as we go later tonight, especially after 6 and 7 o'clock. As you can see, right around freezing in Omaha, slightly above freezing to the south and below freezing farther to the north. Right now at least, winds not too bad, right around 10 miles per hour for most. So here's a look at the last 6 hours. Some light snow off to our north and west. Again, still dry air at the surface, so hard for much of that to reach the ground. But we're expecting moisture to increase as we go later this evening. That's going to bring the potential for drizzle and freezing drizzle over tonight. The main system still off to our southwest in Arizona, New Mexico. This is going to lift northeast as we go overnight into Saturday, and that is going to bring the extremely impactful weather as we go through Saturday. There again is the blizzard warning lining up across eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, seeing the biggest impacts through the afternoon and evening hours. Here in the Omaha Metro, anticipating 4 to 6 inches of snow. It's possible we could get a little bit more than that if we get the narrow band of intense snow to line up over the Omaha Metro. But regardless of the amount of snow, when we have blizzard conditions, it doesn't even factor the amount of snow. It's just the fact that we have heavy snow falling. We've got winds gusting at least 35 miles per hour and visibility a quarter mile or less for a duration of 3 hours or longer. So expect extremely dangerous travel conditions, especially through the afternoon and evening. Most spots it could be near impossible to do any traveling, especially once those winds pick up. And with those winds picking up, not only do we have travel concerns, but power outages expected when we have a little bit of icing overnight, early tomorrow morning, and then heavy wet snow. And then we've got the high winds that will continue overnight. So power outages likely in spots as we go later in the day on Saturday and into Saturday night. So widespread 3 to 6 inches expected through eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. And again, locally higher amounts possible where that narrow band of intense snow lines up, where we could see totals 8, 9, possibly 10 inches of snow. So here's Storm Predictor through this evening. By 6, 7 o'clock, again, some spotty drizzle, freezing drizzle possible in the Omaha Metro. More of the just wet weather farther south and east where temperatures will be a little bit more mild. As we go overnight, again, we get that mix there. Some light snow farther off to the north and west. May see a few snowflakes mixing here in the Omaha Metro. And then the rain farther to the south and east. By tomorrow morning, 6, 7 o'clock, Storm Predictor not showing a whole lot, but again, there could be a little patches of freezing drizzle around, a little wintry mix, possibly some sleet, some snowflakes mixing in during the morning. Again, more liquid farther southeast. And then by noon, at this point, we could have a little bit of rain in Omaha, a little bit of wintry mix. Farther to the west, York, getting towards Lincoln, we'll start to see that transition to snow. By 2 o'clock, we'll start to see that transition here in the Omaha Metro. Farther south and east, we could be seeing thunderstorms through portions of southeast Nebraska, southwest Iowa, and northwest Missouri. Heavy snow just off to the west, Lincoln, York, Beatrice. So we could have thunderstorms and the potential for thunder snow in spots as we go through the afternoon. By 3, 4 o'clock, we have that heavy snow here in the Omaha metro. We have winds picking up, gusting 35, possibly 40 miles per hour at this point, and that continues into the evening. So the peak intensity of the snow will be late afternoon into the evening, but winds continue to pick up the later we go through the day Saturday. So we've got snow, we've got the wind continuing through the evening, and then tapering off here in the metro as we go toward midnight. But still, the winds, they're going to be gusting 40, 45 miles per hour overnight. So that's going to keep blowing snow a concern into Sunday morning. So extremely high impacts later in the day on Saturday. Tonight, the evening drive, should be okay here in the Omaha metro as we get a little bit more moisture in. Again, you see impact weather with those temperatures hovering around the freezing mark. We'll bounce between drizzle and freezing drizzle potential, so that's why we have the impact icon there throughout the night. So dealing with that here tonight into tomorrow morning, and then the blizzard conditions moving in the afternoon and especially through the evening here in the Omaha metro. So be sure you stay up to date. Make sure if you do have any plans for the second half of Saturday, good idea to cancel them. Again, travel going to be near impossible with the combination of the heavy wet snow and the gusty winds up to 40 to 50 miles per hour. So extreme impacts headed our way as we go through the day on Saturday. Stay up to date with KETV on KETV.com, the KETV mobile app, Facebook, and Twitter. I'll have another update coming up on KETV tonight at 5 and 6.